Hello everyone. As you know that it is the season of counseling member selection in our school LFCS. Right now the head boy selections are going on. I am the candidate for the head boy position in our respective school LFCS. I am studying from last 5.5 years in this school and I have a most beautiful experience in this school. And I know all the discipline orders and what is the order of principal sir according to the school how the school is running. And I also understand my fellow mates what they want, what they are now. What as I am in class 12, I already know I have already passed through that all the sections. I know right now there are all the conditions and what are happening toward them in every season. I will also face them. I also tackle them with other. That's why I'm come in 12th. So by the many ways I can help our fellow mates. So please support me. I'd never want to as a guide you as a leader. I always with you as a supporter with you. If you are doing right things, so I will with you, and I will also stand with you towards the management. If you are need something like in our school games there are very little, and sports equipment also. But these are the minor things. You need to develop your aptitude towards the study, and also that after the school you need outside the school there is very scope, or you also need a leadership quality and you can learn throughout the school, so you have better decision making. Okay, it's the most important thing that will you can do in your life, decision making. I also make very bad decisions, good decision in our class 10th 11th 12th journey. That's why I will guide you as a lead, not a leader but as a supporter.
आप सभी लोगों को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम आदित्य निषाद है और मैं यहाँ पे उपस्थित हूँ एक तरह से हेड बॉय के कैंडिडेट के रूप में। मुझे ये तो नहीं पता कि मैं हेड बॉय के तौर पे बेस्ट हूँ या नहीं बेस्ट हूँ, लेकिन मैं जितना आपको क्लियर कर सकता हूँ कि मैं अपनी पूरी तरीके से पूरा 100% दूंगा आप लोगों की बात टीचर और प्रिंसिपल तक पहुँचाने के लिए। ऐसा हो सकता है कि हाँ आप लोगों की कोई दिक्कत हो या समस्या हो जो मुझे जेन्युइन न लगे और मैं प्रिंसिपल सर तक ना पहुँचाऊँ, लेकिन हाँ इतना जरूर कोशिश करूंगा कि वो सॉर्ट आउट हो जाए, मेरे द्वारा सॉर्ट आउट हो जाए। अगर नहीं होता तो उसको प्रिंसिपल सर तक लेके जाऊंगा और प्रिंसिपल सर से मतलब इतना पूरी तरीके से उनको कन्विंस करूंगा ताकि आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स आपकी जो भी दिक्कतें हैं वो दूर करें। धन्यवाद।
Greetings to all. Hope you know me. And if you don't know me, I am Zoya Ansari, student of class 12 B2 and a nominee for head girl of the academic session 2024-2025. As you are well aware of the common phrase, one person, one vote and one value. But we are lucky enough that our school is giving the opportunity of one person, two vote and two values. I promise that I would represent and speak for students, support and prepare the activities that would encourage the learning of yours, to act a peer mediator for you all. At every point of this year, I would prioritize the school rules and standard and maintain a disciplined environment and ensuring that I would work in team. So please be fair enough while voting. Show me your love and support. Thank you.
हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम आदित्य शर्मा है। मैं क्लास 12th B2 का छात्र हूँ। मैं हेड बॉय के कैंडिडेट के लिए खड़ा हुआ हूँ। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि कृपया अपना वोट मुझे दें और आप सभी का जो भी परेशानी हो मैं अपने ऊपर लेके उसे प्रिंसिपल सर तक, डायरेक्टर सर तक पहुंचाने की पूरी कोशिश करूंगा। और जो भी परेशानी हो, आपकी परेशानी मैं अपनी परेशानी समझूंगा और जो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो आप मुझसे डायरेक्ट बात कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। अपना बहुमूल्य वोट दीजिए।
Morning everyone, myself is Payal Singh from class 12 B1. I have the right skill to such a leadership, courage and discipline and team spirit to perform a role presently. Today I am proudly introducing in front of you for the presentaneous post of the head girl. I sure it is a great opportunity to develop my leadership skills. I have positive attitude and I love to take on new challenges. If I will become the head girl, I promise to work hard with all my younger dears and determinations. I hope you all support me.
Morning everyone, I am Ayush Shawn of class 12A. I am a candidate of head boy. It's an honor for me to be the head boy of the school. I stand here as a leader not just to lead you but to work in collaboration with each other of you to achieve the best for our school. I promise to work hard with all my devotion and determination. I will encourage and motivate you and be cooperative with each and every one of you.
मैं राहुल यादव 12C कॉमर्स से हेड बॉय के लिए उठा हूँ और उम्मीद है आप हमें यूज करेंगे और मैं आप सभी परेशानियों को प्रिंसिपल सर के पास लेके जाऊंगा, बेझिझक बोलूंगा और सभी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो आके आप मुझको बोलिए, मैं प्रिंसिपल सर के पास लेके जाऊंगा और सभी को मैं राइट दिलाऊंगा और गेम इक्विपमेंट मैं फिर से दोबारा सही करवाऊंगा जिससे आप लोग सही से गेम खेल सकें और कोई भी इनडिसिप्लिन बॉय हो उसको मैं प्रिंसिपल सर के पास लेके जाऊंगा, पनिशमेंट दिलवाने का काम करूंगा क्योंकि क्लास बहुत डिस्टर्ब होती है, टीचर पढ़ाते रहते हैं तो मैं सभी इनडिसिप्लिन बॉयज को लेकर जाऊंगा और क्लास में एक अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट बनाऊंगा, स्टडी इन्वायरमेंट जिससे सभी स्टूडेंट अच्छे से पढ़ सकें और जिसका कंसंट्रेशन लेवल अच्छा बना रहे, कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन ना हो और कोई इनडिसिप्लिन स्टूडेंट कोई क्लास में ना हो। तो मैं ये सब काम करने वाला हूँ, तो आप मुझे वोट दीजिए और मैं आप सभी का बात सुनूंगा। धन्यवाद।
Greetings to one and all. My name is Suraj Bond. I am a student of class 12 B1 and today I proudly stand before you as a candidate for the head boy election in our school. So I will tell you the truth what I think I can realistically do for our school and for all of you all. I have the right skill such as unique leadership quality. I am multiple talented in many activities. I am more disciplined, I have courage, and I am more confident about it. The team spirit to perform this role perfectly. I have a positive attitude towards my peers and my respected teachers. This is my final year in this beautiful school, and I hope that we all together make it possible to make this year a successful and best version of this year. And